Okay. So as of now, what we have to solve? We have to get finally v dv by dt, d square v by dt square for this particular circuit. Okay. What is the difference from previous one? We have solved 3 problems we have solved. In that 2 problems, we had written equation for v equal to ri plus ldi by dt, all those things. What is the difference? They were connected in series. So we had written equation for KVL. Okay. Now you see how these things are connected. Parallel. So which equation we have to apply? KCL. We have to apply KCL equation. Oh, that is fine. Okay. But first let us write at t equal to 0 or t equal to 0 minus. What will happen? At t equal to 0, what happens? Open or closed? Open or closed? How it is like this? At t equal to 0, open. T equal to 0 minus, switch was closed, right? So I will write at t equal to 0 minus, switch was closed. So we will write one circuit for that. Okay. So what the circuit will consist of? Current source and then the switch. Is that right? Should I write the rest? Is it required? Should I write the rest of the things? This resistor, inductor, all those things? Is it required or not? Tell me. Why it is required? How the connection is there? It is closed. That means this one will be a simple wire. Right? Yes. So it is not required at all. Rest of the things. So what I can write directly? What will be IL of 0 minus? IL of 0 minus will be equal to 0. Should I write anything about current through resistor? Doesn't matter, right? Because initial conditions cannot be applied for resistor. So only I got this particular value. Done. Okay. What is the next step? What is the next step? Steady state. Remember, you need to write expression for steady state. I have not written steady. Okay. At steady state, what happened to the switch? Open or closed? Open. So I will write all the things now. So we have a current source and then a resistor and then inductor as well. This is I, this is R. They have mentioned this is V. I didn't write. In the question itself they have given this is V, this is L, this is IL. Okay. Without considering t equal to 0 plus, first I need to write the expression. Which expression? We have to apply KCL expression, right? I will rewrite the circuit very fast. What was the value? Anybody remember? R is 200. This is 1 Henry. What was the current value? 2 ampere. Anything else they have given? Nothing, right? That's it. Okay. So now how to write KCL? Let me write KCL for this point. This is V anyhow. KCL for this point. How will you write? Nodal analysis. Plus 2 or minus 2? Minus 2. Correct. Minus 2. Then plus V divided by R. Correct. Let me write as of now V divided by R. Okay. So since I'm writing V by R, I will write it as I. Plus what is the current across inductor? How will we write? We already know V equal to what? L di by dt. Is that right? So di by dt equal to 1 by L into V. Correct? So I will be equal to 1 by L integration V dt. Correct? Yes. So now I will write the same thing. 1 by L integration V dt equal to 0. Is that right? Yes. Okay. So now I will write I to the left side. I equal to V by R plus 1 by L V dt. So this becomes your major expression now. Okay. Please remember this. Similar way, if there was a capacitor, what is the voltage across capacitor? Do you remember? 1 by C integration I dt. So I will bring this C here. CV equal to integration I dt. If I want I, C into dV by dt. This part you have to remember, because maybe in one more numerical, there might be a capacitor connected in parallel. Okay. This nodal analysis, when will you apply? Only when all the parameters are connected in parallel. Okay, done. We have got this particular expression. So what is the next step? What is the next step? What do I need to know now? They have told me solve the values for V and then dV by dt. We got V here. So let us try to apply. What is this one? Current through inductor, correct? Yes. So first I will write at t equal to 0 plus. What is the current? This current is same. 2, okay? 2 is equals to V divided by 200 plus. What is this current? IL of 0 plus. But IL of 0 plus is nothing but IL of 0 minus. This remains same whether it is series or parallel. Okay. But what is IL of 0 plus or 0 minus? 0. So directly I will write 2 equal to, sorry, I should have written T equal to 0 plus here. V by 200 at T equal to 0 plus 0. So what will be the value of V? 400 what? Volts. 400 volts. Okay. At T equal to 0 plus it is 400 volt. Done. What is the next step? I am supposed to find dV by dt. What should I do? Differentiate which one? Equation 1 with respect to t. Okay, so what I will do? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. We had I, so di by dt. I am not writing small letter because this capital I was already given. Okay, so make sure you remember that. Next one was V by R. So I will do 1 by R dV by dt plus integration was there. What is the differentiation of this one? 1 by L into V. That's it. Correct? So it will be 1 by L into V. Again, I have to do at T equal to 0 plus. So what is di by dt? 0, because I was 2 is equals to 1 by 200 dV by dt. We do not know. So I will write dV by dt at T equal to 0 plus. What was the value of inductance? 1. 1 into V at, yes, it is 400. So now we have dV by dt equal to at T equal to 0 plus equal to minus 400 into 200. Is that right? I am taking this one to the left side. Okay, minus 400 into 200. So this will be minus 8 into 10 to the power 4 volt per second. Okay, so this is what? dV by dt at T equal to 0 plus. Understood now? Since elements were connected in parallel, we have used nodal analysis. Did I make any mistake? Anyway? Okay, if there is any, please let me know. Okay, I'll just stop recording this one.